Hi, and good morning. Welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, April 19th, 2023. I'm Giovanni Betancourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Well, dip ceiling drama. Earnings seasons continues apace with a big week for first quarter results rolling on. As of yesterday, S&P 500 companies were crushing toward their best start to an earnings season since 2012. However, S&P 500 futures are sharply down this morning. If the trend returns to the upside, it'll buck many of the gloomiest predictions of a crushing earnings recession and a painful stock market sell-off, at least for now. Some of Wall Street's biggest bears are still adamant that more pain is in store and earnings will deep cuts this year. We shall see. So today we are turning our attention to a frustratingly frequent dilemma, the debt ceiling. So what is expected from Congress? Let's see, we shall await. But between now and then, let's take a look at what the markets will have in title for us. As spoken, uh, the, the indices are sharply lower today. More most likely will be reaching the 13,000 support level that I have here, and perhaps even fluctuate even lower than that, down towards the 12,900-ish. So just selling today, short in the market at the open, it would be the best bet or the best direction to come with the market. The same token goes for the S&P. It is pushing lower, as we just said, as well as the Dow. The Dow not as much as the S&P and the Nasdaq. But however, all three indices are pointing lower. Most likely, this will obviously continue at the open. Now, as well as crude oil that has opened with a strong gap down. Let's see if the $80 marker will result as that psychological resistance level that once was a support. Now it'll turn out as a resistance, and we could probably find some sellers around this area to push to stay to keep the price of crude oil down, as well as Nat Gas that has a nice run since April 14th to the upside. It lost all the momentum. It opened with a sharp gap down and is pushing lower. So the 215 marker is where I have my support at it, but $2 is where I'm eyeing it really. Then we have here gold that has also opened with a sharp uh, gap down. So it opened right around 1974, 1975. It is pushing a bit higher. Let's see if it be able to close at least midway of this gap. 1990 could be that resistance level. I have 2000 as the psychological level for it. But so far, if the dollar index continues to valuate itself, it'll put pressure. As well as silver. Silver had been doing a nice pretty run. It reached $26, and from here it's been on a sell-off. Most likely profit taking. This fluctuation today is just really something out of the field, perhaps something with the tertiary market. The yields are higher, the dollar index is higher, so that could also be have placed that pressure on it, but it's recuperating pretty well right now. Then we have copper. Also, copper had also opened with a gap down. Let's see if the 11-day moving average holds as a resistance, a number resistance. If not, it'll continue to push higher. I have my resistance at 4.08, but 410 is the target. Then we have Bitcoin that really it was looking to stay above 30, but it has lost a lot of momentum and is trading down below 29,000. Most likely it'll push lower. 28,000 could probably be the next support. Then we have the currencies. The euro is looking to stay above 109. The moving average is below the market, so we'll probably give that support. See if some more buyers will come in around that area. But so far, right now, being long in the currencies, as well as the pound that is also trading above the 11-day moving average. 124.76 is my resistance, initially resistance, but 125 will be the target. And then we have the dollar index, which has been pushing higher, but is retracing a bit now. 10500 is that support for it, psychological support. I have the 101 marker here, but let's see if it'll just stay idling right around this area. or will it push lower, which is basically what a lot of people want. So that's my assessment for the markets this morning. Okay, short the indices. Have a fantastic trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.